the fuck? What are you doing?
What?
They were trying to undertake or something, weren't they?
And then they stopped. What, because you flashed them?
No, I didn't even flash.
Oh, I thought you flashed them.
That's why they wanted to get over, but I was like, well, there was like no one behind me. Would have saved you no time at all. It's 50 miles an hour along this stretch of the road, except of course for the undertakers. Fucking hell. What about that? I think just move straight back over again.
Stop anything, were they? It wasn't even like they were quick off them around. It was like, yep, do.
Yeah, it's just like, oh, well, yeah, I'm just gonna go.
I'm gonna pretend this is a slip road.
This car here is very impatient. The lights just change to green as we go through, and this car behind has to undertake the one car which was ahead of it. Crazy impatience. Flipping to the front camera, same car here. You can see how big a gap they have in front of me to get into the correct lane. They are going to Festival Leisure Park, which is a left turn at the next roundabout. Again, they have plenty of space here to move into lane 1. They don't take it. What they do is try and get ahead of the cars ahead of me in lane 1. But they fail, slam on the brakes, and move over without indicating. And then just continue braking hard. Why not have a little bit of forward planning? Yeah, that's keep clear. Both of you. Don't worry, if a fire engine needs to get out, they're screwed because of you. I mean, a professional driver has no excuse whatsoever. They should know this area. They should know that there's keep clear on the floor there. The other driver may not know, especially seeing as they've gambled there. They may not have known, and it is a bit hard to see. But the professional driver, not a chance they didn't know that keep clear was there. They just didn't give a shit. Why have you done that? I mean, why? Why do that? You overtake me, you cut in front of me, and then put the fucking brakes on. Stupid. No consideration at all. For fuck's sake, why can't people indicate? It's not that fucking hard to indicate. Jesus. So we're watching this car which is approaching on the left hand side of the view now. You can see there's a nice big gap which they could have gone in if they wanted the second or first lane. And I am currently sitting in lane 2 waiting for that car to get past so I can go into that third lane to overtake. They obviously don't because the cars are slowing down. We have a lane hogger in this lane which now becomes the third lane. But that's not good enough for the car behind. They go to undertake, which then frees me up to actually go into the correct lane to overtake. Fucking hell.
Oh, idiots. Absolutely.
Whoa.
Oh,
That one had a bit of a wobble as well, didn't he? And another one. I can excuse these first two cars going across my path, but these next two, why would you go when I am approaching? Am I completely invisible? I don't understand that whatsoever. And then this car in front here, so after the mini roundabout, they decide to absolutely floor it and then tailgate the car in front. What, why? Just why? What's the sense in that? Actually going down the right side when there's someone turning right.
how close is it? If someone got that close to him, he'd flip.
Yeah. Look, oh, little twitch as well on the braking. What the fuck are you doing? Get off the person's arse. One of those cyclists who just want to obviously die. We have one with no lights, no reflective clothing. The only bright bit are the shoes in the whole picture there. We're watching the car in front of me here, so they move into lane 3 for what looks like absolutely no reason. Because they're not gaining on the car in front. You can see I am gaining on the cars. They aren't gaining on the car in the second lane. So they move back in. What was the point? Why? Oh, and here comes an undertaker. He's worse than me.
Some pace.
Just weaving in between. And I was close to the lorry. Don't try and overtake on a bend like that. I mean, come on.